Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are doing well. So let us start our new topic called ESG landscape and the architecture. This refers to the structure, frameworks and broader context within which the organizations operate and manage their ESG responsibilities. ESG responsibilities. Here is a detailed look at both the aspects. We'll go through with both aspects of ESG landscape and ESG architecture. Now first start with the ESG landscape. What are the regulatory frameworks and standards? Let's say take example of the global initiatives and regional regulations also. In global initiatives, we include frameworks like UN SDGs, Global Reporting Initiative (GRI), the Principles for Responsible Investment (PRI), which set international benchmark for ESG practices. Also, regional regulations like governments worldwide are implementing ESG-related regulations such as mandatory reporting requirements, carbon pricing mechanisms, and guidelines for sustainable finance. Second is about investors and stakeholder expectations. So ESG integration by the institutional investors and asset managers, they are increasingly integrating ESG factors into investment decisions to manage risks and enhance long-term returns. Also, there is an influence from the stakeholder side, NGOs, communities, employees, consumer influencing corporate behavior through advocacy and activism, and also demand for sustainable practices. Then third one is technological advancements. We need to focus on ESG data analytics, advances in the technology enabling better data collection, data analysis and reporting of ESG data. So supporting transparency and decision making. Also we can take help of blockchain and traceability. So technologies like blockchain enhance supply chain transparency and traceability of the ESG related information. Fourth, next is industry specific challenges and opportunities, where we see different sectors face unique ESG challenges such as energy efficiency for energy companies, labor rights in manufacturing, data privacy and technology as an example. In the supply chain management, the businesses are pressured to ensure sustainability throughout their supply chain, addressing issues like ethical sourcing and environmental aspects. So these can be industry specific challenges and opportunities examples. Like the next is about consumer and market dynamics. We talk about the consumer preferences. Increasing demand for sustainable products and services will drive companies to adopt ESG practices that resonate with consumer values. And also market differentiations. So ESG performance can differentiate brands, enhance reputation and attract environmentally and socially conscious consumers and investors. Now let us discuss the ESG architecture. In this we discuss certain factors like strategic integrations. So ESG strategies, generally the organizations develop ESG strategies aligned with business goals, stakeholder expectations, integrating sustainability into core operations and decision making. Also, we'll look at the governance structures. We establish governance frameworks. Those will prioritize ESG oversight, accountability, and integration into the corporate strategy. Then next, we talk about the operational implementations. Like we need to implement ESG policies and practices to manage environmental impacts, social responsibilities, and governance standards. Also, better manage the risks. Risk management. So identify, assess, mitigate ESG related risks that could impact financial performance, reputation, and stakeholders' trust also. Next, we talk about the reporting and transparency. In this, we communicate ESG performance and impact transparently to stakeholders through comprehensive and standardized reporting frameworks. Through ESG disclosures, assurance and verification, we obtain assurance or verification of ESG disclosures to enhance credibility and trustworthiness with investors, regulators, and other stakeholders. Then next comes continuous improvement adaptations. We regularly monitor and evaluate the ESG performance, the outcomes against targets and benchmarks, and adapt strategies based on emerging market trends and stakeholders' feedback. Also, we foster innovation in sustainable practices. We collaborate with the stakeholders and engage in industry initiatives to drive positive ESG outcomes. And also, we consider certain strategic considerations like long-term value creation, compliance, risk mitigations, and competitive advantage. So, organizations those effectively navigate the ESG landscape and architect their ESG frameworks can enhance business resilience, they can create long-term values and strengthen stakeholders relationships. Also, proactively addressing regulatory requirements and ESG risks mitigate legal, operational and reputational risks. Then differentiating through strong ESG performance attracts investors, consumers and talent while we foster innovation and sustainable goals, so we get competitive advantage in that. So the ESG landscape and architectures are integral to corporate sustainability strategies, requiring proactive management, strategic alignment and robust governance structures to address evolving stakeholders' expectations and global sustainability challenges effectively. Thank you very much friends. Let us start the new topic now.